Maraweka, Nananietsa, Tiffany Wright, Nanamananietsa, Uraroevita, Nase Namarekwapa, Dasura, Baku Namarekwakani, Natera. Comanches originated from the eastern band of the Shoshone. From the Rocky Mountain and Wind River area, they moved south through Colorado and into the southern plains of New Mexico, Texas, and Oklahoma. Comanches were first documented by the Spanish in present-day Texas, previously known as Provincia de los Tejas or Tejas, in the 1700s. However, many oral stories estimate that the Comanche had separated from the eastern band of the Shoshone over a long period of time spanning from the 1500s through the 1700s. Comanches, great in number, consisting of many bands, have 5 major bands: Penatuhkah, the honey eaters; Yapaytuhkah, the root eaters; Kutsutuhkah, buffalo eaters; Noyakana, wanderers; and the Quahara, the antelope band. A big misconception is that the Comanche Empire consisted of only one chief for all Comanches. However, each band had its own paraibo, or chief. 2 well-known chiefs of the Penatuhkah band were Kutsunakwahip, or buffalo hump, and Pianabuni, big looking glass. The Penatuhkah band, being one of the largest bands of Comanche, were skillful and nomadic horsemen occupying south-central Texas. This Comanche band thrived on buffalo hunting for food, clothing, and shelter, also called otapin, or wasp, for their quickness in battle. They would get in, sting you, and get out. Following game like namakutsu, or buffalo, and fresh water, the Pecan Bayou is recorded as a favorite spot for early Comanches to camp. In those days, the territory occupied by the Comanches was known as Comancheria. Present-day territories for the Comanche, Kiowa, and Apache tribes are located in southwest Oklahoma, with the Comanche Nation headquarters located in Lawton. The Numana, or the Comanche Nation, is thriving and growing still yet. Celebrating their rich, illustrious culture, the Numana have several major annual events where the people gather to honor and celebrate language, culture, and traditions.